manual vacuum aspiration of the uterus, an underutilized and cost-effective technology. Vacuum aspiration of the uterus may be achieved via a cannula attached to either an electric or manual vacuum source. Both these methods are equally safe. The MVA is recognized by the WHO as a uterine evacuation technique. Studies have shown manual vacuum aspiration to be faster and cheaper, as well as equally safe and efficacious as electric vacuum aspiration. Despite the documented safety, efficacy, and cost-effectiveness of the MVA, it still remains underutilized. In this video, we highlight the technique and practical applications of this underutilized technology. This video explores the indications and assembly of the MVA, followed by a simple papaya model and intraoperative application. Manual vacuum aspiration of the uterus used for early pregnancy loss, completion of failed medical abortion, as well as elective abortions. This video focuses on early pregnancy loss. The typical electric vacuum aspiration consists of an elaborate setup shown. The MVA consists of an aspirator, an adapter, and a piston. It also consists of cannulae and Pratt dilators. An MVA setup will also consist of specula, tenaculum, syringes, and needles for cervical block. MVA assembly begins by attaching the adapter to the aspirator. Here we show the adapter being attached to the aspirator. The next step consists of attaching the piston to the aspirator, as shown here. A vacuum is created in the device by withdrawing the piston, as shown here. The cannula is now attached to the aspirator to complete the MVA assembly. Let us now review a simple papaya model that highlights the MVA technique. This model consists of Pratt dilators, the papaya, an aspirator, the adapter, as well as cannulae. Papaya signifies the uterus, and the Pratt dilators are used as if dilating the cervix serially. The cannula can either be attached to the MVA itself or first inserted into the cervical os, as shown. Following this, the piston is withdrawn, a vacuum created, and the MVA attached to the cannula. It is important to release the vacuum lock to allow suctioning to happen. Once the vacuum lock is released, as shown here, suction is created within the MVA setup. Approximately 60 to 70 millimeters of mercury of pressure is created within the device. The device should then be rotated gently